How to delete game data on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Pipan, and in this video I'll guide you to how you can delete game data on an iPhone. Well, to delete game data on an iPhone, you can delete the game or use the game settings. Now to delete the game, you can locate the game icon on the home screen or app library, and then all you gotta do is tap and hold on it, and you'll find the option to remove the app. Once you tap on remove app, it'll give you two different options, whether you want to remove app from your home screen only and still have the app installed, or you want to delete the app completely from your device. You want to choose the option delete app. Now this will delete your game and also any game data saved up on iPhone. Now if you want to delete the particular game's data, then you'll have to use the game settings. Open up the game and go to its settings. Search for options like storage, manage data, or game reset. Select the option to delete or reset your game data. I hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comment down below if you have any further issues as well.